Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Storycaster. I am John.
And I am Jennifer. Hello to all our friends around the world.
How are you today, Jennifer?
I am very good, thank you. I'm happy to be here. How are you, John?
I am great. Today, we have a very important topic for our listeners.
Yes, we do. Today, we are talking about daily routines.
Daily routine means the things we do every day. Normal things, like sleeping, eating, working, and relaxing.
This podcast is for level A1. This means we will speak slowly. We will use simple words.
This is perfect for beginners. Are you ready to talk about your day, Jennifer?
Yes, I am ready. Let's begin.
Okay, Jennifer, let's start with the morning. What time do you usually wake up?
On weekdays, from Monday to Friday, I wake up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. That is a good time. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use the alarm on my phone. It rings at 7 a.m., but I have a bad habit.
What is your bad habit?
I hit the snooze button.
Ah, the snooze button. That means you sleep for 5 or 10 more minutes, right?
Exactly. I sleep for 10 more minutes. Then I finally get up at 7:10 a.m. What about you, John? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I am an early bird.
An early bird? What does that mean?
It means I like to wake up early in the morning. I have a lot of energy in the morning.
Wow, 6:30 is very early. What is the first thing you do?
First, I make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. And I brush my teeth.
Brushing teeth is very important. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Then I take a shower.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I always shower in the morning. I like warm water. It feels good.
I see. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. It is time for breakfast.
Breakfast is my favorite meal. What do you eat?
I keep it simple. Usually, I have a bowl of cereal with milk. And, of course, coffee. I love coffee.
How do you drink your coffee? Black?
No, I like my coffee with a little milk and no sugar. What about you? Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. I prefer tea. I drink hot green tea every morning. And for food, I eat toast.
Toast with butter?
Yes, toast with butter and sometimes strawberry jam. It is delicious.
Okay, so we are finished with breakfast. Now we need to get dressed.
Yes, I work in an office, so I wear formal clothes. I usually wear a shirt and black pants.
I am a teacher, so I wear a shirt and a tie. Getting dressed takes me about 10 minutes.
It takes me 20 minutes. I have to choose my clothes carefully.
Now it is time to leave the house. How do you get to work, Jennifer?
I do not have a car, so I take public transportation.
Do you take the bus or the train?
I take the subway. The station is near my apartment. I walk to the station and I ride the train for 30 minutes.
Is the subway crowded?
Yes, it is very crowded in the morning. There are too many people. Sometimes I cannot sit down. I have to stand.
That sounds tiring. I drive my car to work.
Is there a lot of traffic?
Yes, sadly. The traffic is bad at 8 a.m. Many cars are on the road. I listen to the radio in my car. It helps me relax.
What time do you arrive at work?
I arrive at 8:45 a.m. My work starts at 9 a.m. What about you?
I arrive at 9 a.m. exactly. I am never late.
Now we are at work. We work all morning. Then it is lunchtime. When do you eat lunch?
I have my lunch break at 12:30 p.m. I am usually very hungry by then.
Do you go to a restaurant?
No, restaurants are expensive. I bring my lunch from home. I usually bring a salad or a sandwich.
That is healthy and cheap. Good idea.
What do you do for lunch, John?
I go to the cafeteria at my school. I usually eat pizza or a burger. It is not very healthy, but it tastes good.
Pizza is delicious. Do you eat alone?
No, I eat with my coworkers. We talk about sports or news. It is a nice break.
After lunch, the afternoon feels long. I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish at 4:30 p.m.
Then I drive home.
When I get home, I am tired. The first thing I do is change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes, like pajamas.
Me too. Then I greet my dog. I have a small dog. We go for a short walk in the park.
That is nice. I don't have a pet. I usually go to the kitchen to cook dinner.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. I make pasta, rice, or soup. I like to listen to music while I cook.
I am not a good cook. Usually my wife cooks, or we order food delivery. We eat dinner at 7 p.m.
After dinner, how do you relax?
I sit on the sofa and watch TV. I like watching series on Netflix.
I like reading books. I sit in my armchair with a cup of tea and read a novel. It is very quiet and peaceful.
Finally, it is time to sleep. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I need 8 hours of sleep to feel good.
I go to bed a little later, around 11 or 11:30 p.m. I brush my teeth again, turn off the lights, and go to sleep. That is a full day. Now, dear listeners, it is time to practice.
We will say some useful sentences from the story. Please listen and repeat after us. Speak out loud.
Ready? Let's go. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I drink coffee with milk.
I take the bus to work.
The traffic is very bad.
I bring my lunch from home.
I watch TV in the evening.
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Great job, everyone. You practiced your English speaking today.
Yes, daily routine vocabulary is very useful. You use it every day.
Listeners, we have a question for you. Please answer in the comments below.
The question is, what time do you go to bed?
Write your answer. For example, I go to bed at 11 p.m.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. It helps the channel very much.
And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.